Hello everyone, I welcome you to a complete tutorial of chatgpt 4.0's full functionality video. Today, I am going to demonstrate the features which this chatgpt 4.0 will bring on table. Let me first tell you that how you can access chatgpt 4.0 full features and what are the different subscriptions you can opt for. If you don't have a ChatGPT paid subscription, you can access limited features of ChatGPT 4.0 once you are logged in. You will see something new like this. It says that ChatGPT now have memory, and now you can set it up as well. Once you click on Continue, you all see something like this. Click on Try it now. Now, the thing which you all notice is that it won't say that it's ChatGPT 4.0 at the logo. But yes, on the browser, you can see that it's on 4.0 model. Now I will tell you the scenario where you have a paid subscription so that I can cover the features of non-paid and paid both. One thing to notice here is that now ChatGPT have a button of attaching a file which is available in paid and non-paid, both the versions. This is one of the best features what we have now got, which is analyzing the files. It takes care of most of the formats and analyze the files for us. It not only analyze the files, it also give us information related to the files and make changes as per the prompts and gives the output in text. I will be creating a separate video on this button that what could be the use cases and how you can use this feature. Now let's move on to the paid version. Here the first thing which you'll notice is that you have a logo stating you have ChatGPT 4.0. Other change is that you have more options once you will go to settings. Here in the plan, you can see what all you can have with a paid version. Early access to new features, access to GPT-4, GPT 4.0, GPT 3.5, access to advanced data analysis, file uploads, vision and web browsing, DALL-E image generation, create and use custom GPTs. In the options, you can see a feature which is My GPT. Let's explore that now, as I have already explored it by creating a virtual avatar. Let's try and create a new GPT for yourself, which can do some specific task. For example, I have created a trainer who can train me on different sort of trainings, like ISO, communication, behavior, leadership, etc. Similarly, you can have a lot more agents like this. For now, it's not interacting using voice, however, in 4.0, we will get the same capability soon. With the new version, you can even customize the way ChatGPT respond you and customize the whole thing. As you have the paid version and with 4.0T, you now have the capability to create more realistic images using DALL-E, for example, if I give it a prompt that, create a picture of a gym where the bodybuilder is working out and everyone is watching him. I was amazed to see the image which is created in seconds. I will soon be sharing more videos with more features of ChatGPT 4.0. Consider this as an introduction. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more informative videos on ChatGPT and other AI tools. Don't forget, it's a race, let's see who win it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day ahead.